So what is determinant? To every square matrix Aij of order n, we have associate a number real or complex called determinant of square matrix A, where Aij is the ith element of matrix A. If A is any matrix, then determinant of A is written as this and also written as det A. The for matrix A, this read as determinant of A, not modulus of A. So this is the important things. And the second important things is only square matrices have determinants. So how to find the determinant of matrix? So let's see. If a matrix of order 1, then the determinant of matrix is equal to the element of that matrix. So it is very simple. Now if the matrix is of order 2, then the determinant of A is equal to A11 multiplied by A22 minus A21 multiplied by A12. So this gives the determinant of matrix. Now from this example, evaluate the determinant of this matrix 2, 4, minus 1, 2. So we have determinant 2, 4, minus 1, 2. So first we multiply this 2 to this number and the minus multiply this 4, this minus 1. So 2 multiplied by 2 minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So this 8 is the determinant of this matrix. Now another important thing is how to find the determinant of matrix of order 3 by 3. So let's see. So if A is any matrix of order 3 by 3, then how to find the determinant of this matrix? So for this, we take the first element A11 and the take determinant obtained by deleting this first row and the first column. So we have A22, A23, A32, A33. Now put minus sign and take the second element as A12 and the determinant obtained by deleting this first row and the second column, we get A21, A23, A31, A33, and again take the third element and take the third element as A13 and the determinant obtained by the eliminating first row and third column, we have A21, A22, A31, A32. Now expand this determinant. So this is equal to A11 और ये 2 by 2 ऑर्डर की तरह इसको एक्सपेंड करेंगे. सो वी हैव A22 into A33 minus A23 into A32 minus A12 and this expand by order 2 by 2. So we get A21 into A33 minus A23 into A31 plus A13 into A21 into A32 minus A22 into A31. So this is the determinant of matrix A. So now take another example. If A is any matrix, then find determinant A. We can find the value of determinant along any row or any column. The value of determinant will be same. So let's find the determinant of this matrix along the along R1. So we take 1, and the determinant obtained by eliminating this first row and the first column is 1 minus 3 4 minus 9. So 1 multiplied by this determinant, 1 minus 3 4 minus 9, and take minus sign, then take 1 and multiply by this determinant obtained by the eliminating first row and the second column. So we get 1 multiplied by determinant 2 minus 3 5 minus 9, and then take minus 2 and multiply by determinant obtained by the first row and the third column. We get determinant 2 1 5 4. So this is equal to 1 into the value of this is 1 multiplied by this minus 9. So we have 1 multiplied by minus 9 minus 3 multiplied by 4 minus this 2 multiplied by minus 9 minus 3 multiplied by 5 minus 2, this 2 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 4 minus 5 multiplied by 1. So we have, this is minus 9 plus 12 minus 18 plus 15 and minus 8 minus 5. So we get minus 9 plus 12 is equal to 3 minus 3, that is plus 3, minus 2 into 3, that is equal to 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So the determinant of this matrix is equal to 0. And since the determinant of this matrix is 0, this matrix A is called singular matrix, singular matrix.